Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to cancel your Super Duolingo subscription here. First, head to the Duolingo website and make sure you're logged into your account or even just open the app that has the Super Duolingo subscription. Once logged in, click on your profile at the top right here and from the top down choose settings. Here's the settings. Click on it. Now go on the left menu Super Duolingo on subscription depending on your region. After that, here you can see the Super Duolingo. Click on Manage Subscription. Here you can see, and then click Change here, Cancel Subscription. If you subscribe through the App Store or Google Play, you will need to cancel it directly through those platforms if needed. Here you can see if they will give a warning, are you sure? Click Cancel Super, and then you have to mention a reason. Just click any of the reason and then continue. And you can see again there's a pop-up and click cancel. And that's it. If this helped you out, drop a like and subscribe and check out my next tutorial below.